Banana peels, often discarded as waste, can be transformed into powerful, nutrient-rich fertilizers that benefit both garden and houseplants. These natural fertilizers are packed with essential nutrients like potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium, which promote healthy plant growth. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or indoor plants, making your own banana peel fertilizer is an easy, cost-effective way to enrich the soil and nourish your plants. Method 1. One simple way to create banana peel fertilizer is by blending the peels into a liquid solution. Start by collecting around 12 banana peels, chopping them into small pieces for easier blending. Blend them with some water until smooth, then pour the mixture into a large bucket. Add about 2 liters of this blend to a 5-gallon bucket. Fill the rest with non-chlorinated water and stir in 3 liters of compost tea for added nutrients. Cover the bucket with a breathable cloth and let it ferment for 5 to 7 days. This process enhances the availability of nutrients and encourages beneficial microbes to multiply. Once fermented, dilute the mixture at a ratio of 1 to 10 with water before applying it to your plants. Method 2. Another quick method involves boiling banana peels to extract their nutrients. Collect 10 to 12 peels, cut them into small pieces, and place them in a pot with 5 liters of water. Boil for about 20 minutes, then remove from heat and allow it to cool. Let the mixture sit for 24 hours to allow the nutrients to fully infuse into the water. The resulting dark, nutrient-rich liquid is ready to use. Before applying, dilute it with 10 liters of water to prevent overconcentration and use it to water plants for an easy nutrient boost. Method 3. A combination of banana peels and onion peels can create an even more effective fertilizer. Start by soaking banana and onion peels in separate containers of lukewarm water. Seal the containers and let them sit for a few days, allowing the nutrients to leach into the water. Once ready, strain both liquids and mix them together. This blend, rich in potassium from bananas and sulfur from onions, supports plant growth and strengthens resistance against pests. Dilute the mixture with water at a 1 to 5 ratio and use it once a week for best results. Method 4. Fermenting banana peels with sugar is another excellent way to create a powerful fertilizer. Cut overripe bananas or peels into small pieces and layer them with brown sugar or molasses in a container. Stir the mixture well and let it ferment in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks, stirring occasionally. Over time, a liquid fertilizer forms, which should be strained before use. To apply, dilute half a liter of this concentrated liquid with 5 gallons of water. This method not only provides essential nutrients, but also enhances soil quality over time. Method 5. For an even simpler approach, making banana peel tea is a quick and effective option. Chop up banana peels and soak them in a 5-gallon bucket filled with warm water. Allow the mixture to sit for 2 to 3 days, giving time for nutrients to seep into the water. Afterward, strain the peels out and dilute the tea to a suitable concentration for your plants. This easy-to-make fertilizer can be used once or twice a month to nourish both garden and houseplants. By using these natural methods, banana peels can be repurposed into powerful fertilizers that enhance soil health and plant growth. These DIY solutions are simple, eco-friendly, and highly effective. Try them out and see the difference in your garden.